Look what I found in the muddy field. A teeny baby mentor lizard hiding right here. Good morning, everyone. Today I came to our village farm. The weather is so calm and cloudy. After the rain, and the field looks completely fresh and green. First, we moved to the rice field. The entire field is filled with fresh water from the tube well, creating the protect muddy ground for planting. And next, here everyone is working together to plant the baby rice sapling one by one deep into the mud. Farming requires a lot of hard work and patience, but it brings true happiness. We are spraying medicine in the sugarcane crops to protect the plants from insects and help them to grow healthy. Okay, then move ahead. Let's see some another things. First, look at this pink packet called Piprokind meta. This powder acts as a strong insecticide to protect our green crops from harmful insects. Next is this silver bottle named Polytrine C. It works as a contact chemical that keeps all bugs away from our sugarcane leaves. And this green bag is NPK fertilizer. It provides complete nutrition to the plants grow healthy and strong. Now we mix these medicine properly in clean water inside the bucket to clean the spray solution. Then we fill the tank and continue spraying across the entire field. Moving ahead to the other side of the farm. Our tubewell is running at the full speed now. You can see that it's running and it is raining outside also. That's why no one is doing work outside and we are in the room, you can say. And 12 is running now, but still no one is outside. The fresh water is flowing through small mud channels into the field. Let's see, you can check it. This creates the perfect muddy water bed to prepare the ground for planting. You can see that directly. Over in the corner, a farmer is carefully sorting out the green rice saplings. These young baby plants are tied into small bundles so they can be carried easily into the water, because if you tie you can say big bundle, so then you have to face some problem like you can't carry them properly. So that's why you should carry a little bit bundle like some small bundles. And the cool breeze and wide green landscape make the farm feel so calm and refreshing. Now the transplantations begins as everyone steps directly into the muddy field. See, these are my family member like my mother and my brother and my sister. They are planting the the sugarcane and paddy. Each small plant is fixed by hand with equal distance into the soft soil. It is necessary. If we don't do like that, so then we can't do those that properly. And farm requires continued patience and hard work under the sky. And just before leaving, look at the teeny baby winter lizard still resting peacefully near the grass. If you enjoyed watching this village routine and practicing English with me, drop a comment below and subscribe for more videos.